Hello children, how are you? So dear children, we have started the novel and you are ready with your novel book. So what was the story you remember? Okay, let us have a quick look. So one day, the wolves, the father wolf and the mother wolf, they were in their cave along with the cubs. They heard the loud shout of tiger, Sher Khan, and then they saw a small human child and they were astonished to see the child because it was the first time when they saw a human baby, and they decided to keep the baby with them, and they did not allow the tiger to hunt the baby. So now we are going to continue with our reading. Mother Wolf named the baby Mowgli. Now, this name Mowgli was given by Mother Wolf. She and Father Wolf knew they had to follow the law of the jungle. By jungle law, when a wolf marries and has cubs, he must present them to the Pack Council. Now, children, it was a law there. When a wolf marries and has cubs, they were supposed to present their cubs in front of the council. And you know what was the reason of presenting the cubs in front of the council? So that they all should remember their faces, and by mistake nobody will kill the cubs. And one more law was there: if somebody will kill the cub, and they have to die themselves, so then the cubs are free to run where they please. So that was the reason of this law. On this night there were about 40 wolves of every size and color at the meeting place. Now they had the meeting, and that day how many wolves were there? 40 wolves. Akela was the leader of the pack. Who was the leader of the pack? Akela. He was a great grey wolf who hunted alone. You know, children, he always used to hunt alone. That is why the name was given Akela. Akela means the lone wolf. When it was time, Father Wolf pushed Mowgli into the center of the circle. The baby sat there, laughing and playing with some small stones. Now they had a meeting. 40 wolves were there of every size and color. Who was the leader of the pack? Akela. He was a great grey wolf, and so was known as the lone wolf. So when it was the time, Father Wolf pushed Mowgli in the center, and there the baby sat, laughing and playing with small stones. Then, out of the dark, they all heard the voice of Sher Khan. This baby is not a wolf. He is mine. Give him to me. Now he came and he said, this baby is not a wolf, and moreover he is his, and he wanted to get the baby back. There was much growling and snarling, the action of growling with bare teeth. All of a sudden, all started growling, but they listened to Akela. His eyes moved around the circle of wolves. Now, when Sher Khan came and he ordered everyone, all the wolves started crawling. They were angry, but they listened to their leader Akela. Look well, O wolves, look well. Remember the face of this cub and keep him safe. Remember, too, that we do not take orders from anyone outside the pack. So, what he said? He said, wolves, you should look well, you should remember the face of the cub, and so that you can keep the cub safe. Not the cub. Who is the cub here? Mowgli, the human baby, child. And one more thing, you all have to remember that we don't take our orders from anyone outside this pack. Just then, a 4-year-old spoke up. Indeed, what do we need a human baby for? Now, a question arises: why do we keep a human baby with us? The law of jungle says that if there is an argument about a cub joining the pack. Two others of the pack who are not his father or mother must speak for him. Now, what was the other law? Now, a question arises. It means the argument started, and they had a law that if the argument starts about a cub joining the pack, so two others, two wolves, other than the father and mother, they must speak for him. Who speaks for this baby? Now the question arises, who want to speak for this baby?